Ayan, yung pag mga prutas nila dito. Ayan, oh. Nice. Oh, may corn flakes. Yan, mga cereals. Almond milk. Then the fruits. Ayan, guys. Wow. Saan ka pa, guys? See, there are vegetables. Yan, sa mga ano dyan, vegetarian, pwede yan. Then dito naman yung mga drinks. Okay, different kind of drinks. So, sa mahilig magkape, dito naman. Ito yung coffee section nila. Now, dito naman yung mga sarap, guys. Yan. Itlog. Ano ba to? Hash brown. Masarap to. Hash brown. Mga noodles, oatmeal, vegetable fried rice. And wow. Beef bacon. Ayan. Beef bacon nila. Beef sausage. And salted mushroom. Ang ganda, guys. Ang ganda yung ambience dito, guys. So,
Americano. Which one do you want? More milk or more foam?
Hot chocolate for her.
Hot chocolate?
For her. And
Sure.
then, ano sa'yo mahal?
latte with caramel.
With caramel.
Latte?
Latte with caramel.
Caramel? Sorry,
You have,
we don't
you don't have caramel?
Yeah, we have like a soya milk, almond, full fat, low fat.
Flat white is good.
Yeah, just normal.
Flat white is good.
Yeah, flat white also we
What
have.
is that? The
The
coffee also?
double shot, and then foam and milk. It's almost same.
Only milk.
Milk and foam also.
Ah,
Foam, on the top foam.
Foam
but
yung
milk.
ano.
Yeah.
Yeah, foam.
okay. Cafe latte.
What you can suggest for with, I like little sweet.
Sweet.
Little sweet.
Sweet is the hot chocolate, sir.
Hot chocolate.
Okay, hot chocolate
If you
na
want,
lang.
yeah. If you want more milk, then we have cappuccino.
Okay, also
Cappuccino is more milk.
Also may hot.